Here we go. So here you can see here basically. So coming to like Forever Living Products, right? Forever Living Products is like a multi-billion dollar company, founded in 1978 by Rex Morgan. So most of the people ask about, what is Forever, and like what does the company do? Like these are the main questions they ask. So yeah, so coming to the Forever Living Products, it manufactures and sells hundreds of healthcare related products, beauty related products, wellness, mainly deals with health and wellness because it's one of the largest health and wellness uh, you know company, deals all around the world basically. So Forever International Business, you can also say it Forever International Business. It's not only Forever Living Products, you can also say like Forever International Business. So it has grown over the past 45 years. 45 years, it's a like a lot of years till now. Forever has grown, and it's growing and growing and growing day by day, you know coming to the like global presence. So more a lot of guys, lot of people on all around the world, they many people still don't know, they thought like Forever is only present in like one or two, maybe in one or two cities or maybe one or two countries. But it's so wrong, because if you see Forever, its global presence is more than 160 plus countries it is present. Coming to like India also, and in India is present in 2000. It has been established since 2000. Since 2000 till now, it's more than 20 years in India only, you know. Coming to like India, the headquarter in India, there are a lot of offices all over the world. You can say in India only it has like almost more than 19 states. Forever Living Products is present. Most of the people even don't know that. They thought like Forever is only maybe in India also they only know like Forever is only present in North India. It's wrong. Again, Forever is present in all over India as well, in more than 19 states, including North and South India as well. So coming to the how much Forever has earned, how much Forever has earned till now. What is the revenue? What's the market? What's the market in total Forever has covered? Coming to like it's like 3.8 billion. It's 3.8 billion overall. The Forever has covered the revenue in the whole market, and which the market is comprises of. The comprises of aloe vera, mainly oil aloe vera. The products are of aloe veras only. The mostly products are of aloe vera. Anything like regarding skin, regarding health, regarding nutritional benefits, any medicines, any. It's like a precautionary thing. Precautionary, like people used to first of all what first of all nowadays people have learned a lot. They know what is the required to be precaution, and what's need to take for the precaution wise. So yeah, these are the main things in Forever. And in India also, if you see, in India it has over 500 crores of turnover it has made by Forever itself. So you can see it's a lot. It's a lot. 500 crores is a lot amount. Coming to the productions and production rate, so productions and production rate, what does it mean? What does it mean by production rate? So productions mainly, it's how much production Forever has done till now, how much they have grown their products, and how much what is the amount, and what is the rate they are producing day by day. They how much what is the like no rate they are growing day by day. So if you can see, 7,500 acres, 7,500 acres of land they have covered. I mean, Forever Living Products has been covered. They have been covered, almost such a large amount of acres, you can say. So, and also coming to the plants, they have grown like 50 million plants they have grown all around the world. These or stuff. But here you can see they have produced almost 65 million pounds of aloe vera, and that is also every single year. Every single year they have produced aloe vera. 65 million pounds. That's a lot. Coming to the number of products, all like every single guy, every single people, they used to ask like, okay, so yeah, okay, we now we get to know about Forever Living Products. So what does it do? What are the products mainly include, what are the products, what are the amount, what are the number of products Forever Living products have, in total. So you can see more than 100 products are there in Forever Living products. More than 100. More than 100. So starting from health to skincare to beauty products, nutritional, anything you can say. There are so many huge amount of products, ample amount of products that is been used, that has been required by people daily basis. They require that products. So yeah, coming to the certification wise, global certified. So it's global certified. It is certified by IASC. So what is IASC? It is International Aloe Council. International Aloe Council means in aloe vera, it's one of the largest producing company. You can say aloe vera largest producing company, that is called Forever Living Products, or you can say Forever International Business. So yeah, either way you can see. And the last and most important point, that there will be lot of network marketing companies, lot of there are so many companies, they are giving products, but the one and most important thing is in here, it is distributor friendly. So distributor friendly, what does it mean? So distributor friendly means there is no third party. It is mainly vertically integrated. Vertically integrated means, that means it is only from manufacture to production to delivery to customer, right? All these things all are done by Forever only. Every single place, they have bought their own land, they have brought their own they have made their own company there. That is, nothing is rented that place. They bought that land. Then only they are present globally. They are present globally, and they have such a I mean, such a beautiful company, Forever Living Products, basically, because they are great. They have grown so much, and they are growing day by day, daily basis. So due to their importance of their products, due to their necessity of the products for the people, that is the reason Forever Living Products is again named Forever, because it will be staying forever with us. Forever is love. So yeah, this is the main things, main basic things that people used to ask about, what is forever. So yeah, these are the things. And I hope you have understand, like, I hope from next time people won't be questioning about what is forever, and what is the things. So yeah, these are the things, these are the basic things about forever, what is forever. So these are the things basically. If you want to know about more further, please do contact with me. My number will be listed below on my video, in description below. And also, if you want to know more about Forever, or if you wanted to use any kind of products, anything you wanted to know more for the products wise, please do contact with me. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you really like, if you really love what I said about Forever, please do like, please do comment, please do share with your friends, with your family wise, with your belongings. Anyone you can share. Anyone, they might wanted to know what is Forever, and why it is important in our daily life, why people use it. So these are the main things regarding Forever. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy a lot, and I also wish you a very good day. And yeah, let's see on the next video. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day ahead.